At Breakthrough Schools, nothing is more important to us than the safety and security of our students and staff. By going to remote learning and choosing to go early, it gave us additional time to build out the most robust remote learning plan we can. And so I'd love to talk to you a little bit about what that plan looks like. If you are familiar with remote learning from the spring in any context at Breakthrough, it's not going to look anything like that. We went to the whiteboard and we said, hey, we have to do things differently, and we prioritized a handful of things. The first, ensuring that kids had live interactions with their teachers. And we're right now spending weeks, well, more like months, preparing our teachers to go from being able to deliver excellent quality instruction in a classroom to being able to deliver excellent quality instruction through a screen. Second, we're really thinking about how to ease the logistics for families. Instead of having to log into multiple different programs, we've invested in a learning management system that will house everything from grades to attendance to feedback to talking to the teacher. Your student will have one place to go and be able to engage with their teacher. And as a parent, you'll be able to keep pretty tight tabs once we get you up and running in our parent portal, so we'll know exactly what every single scholar is going to be learning during that time period. And I would say the third big consideration that we've been thinking about is we know that school is more than just learning. So we've been thinking of innovative ways to ensure that our scholars continue to have things like crew or advisory, that they continue to have community meetings that they love, that we can really build on the innovations of the spring around our virtual parades and virtual science experiments. I'm excited to tell you more about Breakthrough's remote learning program and some of the details that will make this experience great for you and for your scholar. Over the next few weeks, we're going to send out regular communication about our program to ensure that you have the information you need to be able to get logged in, to understand more fully how remote learning is going to work in the fall. So you should be watching your inbox because you'll be hearing from us every week.